we are, I will be using the this palette. I'm gonna be wearing a white skirt with a pink top. I'm doing my makeup just to match my outfit, and it's gonna be something simple like a half cut crease type of thing. I went for the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette, the volume 2, to get this one color called Crazy, and that one will be applied to the crease like so. I will be going back to the Norvina one, that pink palette. I don't know the name. It's supposed to be like volume 5, I think. But I will get that eyeshadow called E1. Like so. You can totally see the difference between this eye and the other eye. And it's much better. Now that I finished that, I will be cutting my crease. I will be cleaning it and applying my eyeshadow base. Top, so that it helps the eyeshadow base set. You need to apply this a little more down, and I will put like a light pink, a dark pink, and then get this color and blend it all over. Like always dragging it down there. My bottom lashes, and that's it. This is the finished eyeshadow look. I go to my concert and get dressed up and